Hello guys, I'm Katie Zhou.
To be honest, I planned to release a video about this BF109 last month, but unfortunately, during my last test flight, this plane crashed into a tree, and the crash was quite disastrous. Therefore, we had to bring back all the electronic components and print a new one. Fortunately, with the help of 3D printing technology, this plane can be made at a very low cost, and its assembly is very simple. You may notice that this plane's color scheme is different from the one on our cover. This is our second model, so without further ado, let's move on to our flight demonstration.
Regarding the assembly of this plane, since the entire aircraft uses a tad and slot joint structure compared to traditional glue bonding,
it not only makes it easier for users to align, but also enhances the connection strength of the fuselage. I must say, this time it really upgraded the 3D printed model aircraft significantly. Compared to their earlier cross-grain works, the assembly experience of this BF109 can no longer be described as smooth. Thanks to the development of 3D printing technology, most of the work on the entire plane has already been completed by the 3D printer, so users don't need to spend too much time on assembly. Inside the wings of this plane, there is a 500mm long carbon fiber tube reserved to provide support during non-high overload maneuvers. The fully movable four flaps of the entire aircraft not only have high precision that cannot be replicated, but the design of the mechanical hinges also makes the elite movement smoother and more reliable. Simply add some color to our plane and our assembly is considered complete. Based on the overall flying and assembly experience, our studio has developed a set of evaluation criteria for the entire aircraft that players can refer to. Using our previous Cessna as the scoring standard, and excluding subjective factors like appearance, we will evaluate the overall experience of the aircraft based on 6 aspects: printing time, printing cost, assembly cost, flight stability,
and maneuvering capability.
The specific ratings for this BF109 are shown in the diagram. The specific parameters of the aircraft, each, are also listed below. Finally, if this video has helped you understand 3D printed model aircraft, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. This would greatly help us. If this video receives over 500 likes, we will release the next video within a week. Thank you very much for your attention, and we'll see you in the next episode.